Okay, let me clean. Hey, can you hear me? Can you see me? Alright. Hi there, my name is Joel and I'm 28. I'm from a beautiful country called Kyrgyzstan. This is my small, beautiful village. I love traveling, I love reading books and sport. An interesting fact about me is if somebody says that I can't do it, I do it. I'm the person who strives to create his own success story and be useful to my country and to the world. So, can I get my jacket? And we continue. Okay, are you still here with me? Very good. Now I will tell about my experience. But before that, I want to say something. If the person does what he loves, he will never work. So today I'm enjoying my work. I have around 5 years experience in tourism and hospitality. The desire to get an international experience took me on a wonderful journey to Dubai, to Turkey, where I could work in international 5-star worldwide hotels. Today we run our family business. We open a small resort in Talas province, where we provide our beautiful service and trying to make guests happy. The tourism changed my life. I came to tourism through working in different sectors. Tourism helped me see the world, helped me find the beautiful people, friends, and experience. At the same time, I'm participating in international projects. Right now, I want to show you, this is our Constellations Projects Office. Here right back you can see the unique portraits of famous people. The owner of these portraits are Azamat Janaliyev. He creates the portraits with the unique philosophy and idea. As you can see, the portraits made by nails and thread. So as a part of his team, we could make a first street art exhibition in the world in Dubai. If I'm not wrong, it was in 2017. Let me share with something. When I was in Dubai, I set a goal to work with youth of my country. By work, I mean motivate them, inspire, and let them know about opportunities around. So this is our office, this is our library, where we work with our team. Welcome. Today, I reached my goal. I hold developmental events. We do presentation and talking clubs for young people, actively conduct the social media, and making the videos for our YouTube channel. Together with our team, we start changing our lives and helping others. One day is a small life. We try to live it beautifully. It's time to meet my team.
Together we are better! Woo!
Thank you so much for your attention and have a good day.